Hey, how y'all doing? Just a quick video about drive shafts. So this is the original first stage of the prop shaft out of the original truck when it was well, that was what was in it when I got it, so I'm assuming it's what it came out of the factory with. And this is the rear drive shaft, which I took out. Now, I've spent a bit of time, I'm like, right, I've got to get drive shafts sorted out now. Have a custom drive shaft made up, and I got some distances between the yoke face and the centre bearing and what have you, this bit where this would have bolted onto. And I'm thinking to myself, well, nothing's changed about the rear drive shaft, the prop shaft from the differential to the carrier bearing. It's only this one which needs to be different. So if I give this prop shaft to the company who's going to make it up, I'll be good to go. And the same with the front. But anyway, the TH400 has got the yoke already installed on it. I guess I could take it out. I haven't actually put fluid in the transmission yet, so that should work, but I feel like that might be a bit of a ball ache. And I've just offered it up, and I believe that this is the end which would have gone onto the drive shaft, onto the differential there. I've just offered that up to the output from the transmission, and it's the same. So all of my UJs are all going to be the same. I guess GM haven't changed their yoke dimensions since, well, probably the 30s. So that's good news. But yeah, there's me thinking, as I talking to my buddy and thinking about it, you know, you're going to put some weight on the back to see where we're at. And it's like, well, we don't need to. We've got the actual prop shaft, and I can, like I say, just take it to the guy and they'll make it up. And if I take this as well, we'll be able to match up the carrier bearing to that. And I guess the only thing what we really need to know is the carrier bearing to the output from the transmission. So yeah, so that's one of a bunch of things that I've got to get sorted out and ordered in order to make this truck go. And it might be a few weeks before that can be made up. So yeah, I'm going to get that done. Take it easy.